Well lads, we are gathered here today to discuss the absolute glory that is the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. So for those of you who don't know, this palette is, and this brand is Manny MUA, who is a YouTuber. You're on YouTube. Very smart, Hannah. But yeah, you're living under a rock if you don't know who Manny MUA is. And so ordered this just from the Lunar Beauty website. That's him there. And this says, bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of neutral and bright colours that blend effortlessly. There we are. So to carve out my brow and prime my lid, I'm going in with the P. Louise base, and this is in 0.5. I'm just taking the P. Louise base and I'm just patting it all over the lid and using it to carve out the brows. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what look exactly I'm going for, but I'm really drawn to these pure crazy colours in this palette, so I'm just going to make it up as we go along. So I'm just going in with the yellow shade Campy, and this is just on his wee double-ended brush. And I'm just starting by placing it down into the crease. So now I'm just taking a fluffier brush and we're just going in and blending it through the crease. So I'm going in with the colour Kai Kai, and I'm just placing this right into the crease, keeping it lower down than Campy went. Now I'm going in with a purple shade Pageant Queen, and I'm kind of keeping it on my outer corner and like closer to my lid, because this is just going to deepen the crease up a wee bit. So now I've got all the blending work done, I'm just taking the P. Louise base again on a wee flat cream shader brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. And I'm going back in my Pageant Queen, and I'm just going to pack it on my outer corner. So now I'm going in with a Fantasy pigment, and I'm just patting it on to where I've cut the crease. So now I'm just going in with a black shade on a wee smudger brush, and I'm going to use this as my liner. I'm just taking Fishy, the blue shade, and taking it under my eyes. And I just primed my eyes with the Chloe Rea base. So now I'm just putting beat into the inner corner. So I'm just going to go on ahead now and put some mascara and lashes on, and then I'm going to do my whole face, and then I'll be back to chat to you. So this is the finished look with all face makeup and everything done. I really hope you enjoyed watching this wee tutorial, and over on my Facebook page, it's just Hannah O'Neill Makeup. I actually have a competition going where you can win this palette that I used today. So to enter the competition, you just need to like that post, comment on it, tag in 3 friends and share it. And then I've also asked that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Hello, Darcy Punk. Thank you, thank you. Oh, look at them. They're kissing.